Doing everything right, but your bank account is still barely moving? Yeah, it's exhausting. Forget the sketchy crypto advice or burning out on a second job. The actual secret to financial freedom and building passive income comes down to one single conversation.
And today, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is.
Tyler was 25 years old. He stood behind the counter of a small grocery store in Ohio, scanning items one by one. He watched customers fill carts with organic snacks, fancy sparkling water, and the kind of cereal that cost more than his hourly wage, while his own dreams stayed painfully small. For 5 years he had worked there. He wasn't lazy, he wasn't careless. If anything, he was the dependable one, the guy managers trusted with closing shifts and complicated returns. For the past 3 years, he had done everything right. He saved consistently. Every paycheck, a portion went straight into his savings account. And yet, every month when he opened his banking app, the numbers barely moved. It felt like trying to fill a swimming pool with a spoon. Work, save, wait. Work, save, wait. The cycle wasn't just exhausting, it was quietly heartbreaking. At night, lying in bed, he'd whisper the same question into the dark.
How do I actually learn how to become rich and truly make your money work for you, instead of me working for money forever?
The problem? Time. His shifts were long, his feet hurt, his brain felt fried by 7 p.m. The idea of starting some intense side hustle after work sounded like a fast track to burnout. And deep down, he knew exhaustion isn't a strategy, but the discomfort wouldn't go away. Then, one morning on his day off, something shifted. Not dramatic, not cinematic, just quiet clarity. He decided it was time to leave your past behind. Not by quitting his job impulsively, not by maxing out a credit card, but by changing how he thought. He remembered a man everyone talked about, Mr. Harrison, a wealthy businessman in the nearby town of Oak Creek. People said his money worked for him, that he wasn't constantly rushing, yet somehow his assets kept growing. Around town, folks half-joked that Mr. Harrison held the ultimate secret to success. Tyler made a decision that felt terrifying and empowering at the same time. He would go and ask. That morning, he woke up earlier than usual. He discovered the quiet power of the secret of 5 a.m., that peaceful window where the world is still and your doubts haven't fully logged in yet. He dressed neatly, nothing flashy, just respectful. The walk to Mr. Harrison's home took nearly an hour. Tyler barely noticed. His heart was racing with questions.
How do wealthy people think? What do they see that I don't?
When he arrived, he saw Mr. Harrison sitting under a wide tree near his fields. He was sipping coffee like a man who had nowhere urgent to be. No chaos, no frantic phone calls, just calm. Tyler approached carefully.
Good morning, sir. I hope I'm not disturbing you.
Not at all. Sit. What's on your mind?
I've been working at the grocery store for years, saving every paycheck I can.
That's a good start, Tyler.
Sometimes it feels like no matter how hard I try, nothing really changes.
Frustration, the quiet fear of staying stuck forever, and most importantly, his desire to learn how to start passive income. When he finished, there was silence, not awkward, thoughtful. Then Mr. Harrison nodded.
You don't have an income problem. You have a system problem. And remember, whenever you feel completely stuck in life, trust that God has a better plan for you. Even in your most exhausting moments, God never abandons those who are willing to seek wisdom and work hard.
Tyler leaned forward. This wasn't going to be a motivational quote and a handshake. This felt real.
I'm going to teach you 7 steps. Stay with me. I'll show you exactly how to invest money. No shortcuts, no tricks, just steps. Step 1. You need capital. Save consistently. Don't take loans when you're just starting. Debt adds pressure. Pressure creates bad decisions.
Tyler swallowed. He had definitely Googled easy investment loans before.
Step 2. Resist lifestyle upgrades. Fancy phones, expensive cars, things that lose value. When your income is small, those purchases slow you down.
Tyler felt personally attacked by the memory of the shiny smartphone in his online cart.
Step 3. Look for opportunities around you. They walk through town.
See that house? Mr. Harrison pointed. He started a small Wi-Fi service. Over there, chickens.
Down that road, homemade snacks sold online. These are seeds of real passive income.
Tyler looked around like someone had adjusted the brightness on his life.
I can see it.
Opportunities weren't hiding. He just hadn't trained himself to see them.
Step 4. Start small. Act quickly. You'll never feel fully ready. Start anyway.
That line landed deep.
Step 5. Reinvest your profits. Let growth compound. Step 6. Diversify. 1 income stream is fragile, 2 is stronger, 3 is freedom. Reward yourself, but carefully. Never spend more than half your profit. Step 7. Be patient, stay consistent, keep learning. Most people don't fail because their idea was bad. They fail because they quit.
When Mr. Harrison finished, Tyler didn't just feel inspired, he felt equipped. That afternoon, they shared lunch. Simple sandwiches, easy laughter, nothing fancy. But Tyler left with something more filling than food. He left with clarity. On the walk home, he made decisions before he even reached his door. No new phone, no random spending, aggressive saving. 3 months later, he started small. A neighborhood laundry service, 1 washing machine, nothing glamorous. While he worked at the grocery store, the machine worked at home. The first month, the profits were tiny, but they were different. For the first time in his life, money entered his account without him physically being there. It felt like magic, except it wasn't magic, it was the system. Within a year, he added 2 more machines and hired someone part-time. Then he rented out a spare room to a student. 2 income streams. The grocery store was no longer his only lifeline. 5 years later, Tyler drove to visit Mr. Harrison again. Not in a luxury car, just a reliable one, purchased responsibly from profits. Mr. Harrison saw him pull up and smiled.
You walked here once. Yeah, and that walk changed everything.
They sat under the same tree.
Thank you. Those 7 steps changed my life.
I didn't change your life. You did. I only showed you the door. You were brave enough to walk through it.
And hey, if this story sparked even one idea in your mind, give it a little thumbs up. Share it with someone who still thinks money only grows in savings accounts, and drop a comment about which step hit you hardest. And stick around, because the next chapter might just pay off better than compound interest.
And that's the truth most people miss.
Tyler wasn't special. He was disciplined. So here's the real question.
If one conversation could change his life, what conversation are you avoiding? Because this story isn't really about Tyler. It's about you and the decision you might make today.
But here's what most people don't know. Tyler's journey didn't magically get easier. The next phase tested him in ways he never expected. And that part, that's for next time. Thank you for tuning in. We hope these wordy tales keep inspiring your daily life.